guys, Emily here. I'm a nutritional therapist and I'm here with Acti Labs to tell you all about their meal replacement pancakes. Something that I hear all the time is that cravings and feeling like you're not able to join in with family meals can be the downfall of dieting. And Acti Labs meal replacement pancakes can help with this. And as an added bonus, you get to have pancakes for breakfast without falling off your diet plan. These pancakes are good for anyone following the Acti Diet weight loss plans, or if you just fancy pancakes for breakfast. Inside these little pancake sachets is 25% of your recommended daily allowance of vitamins and minerals. There's approximately 219 calories and a good amount of protein, which makes for a great start to the day. So let's get started. I have got the maple flavoured pancake mix here today, and it is so easy to make these tasty pancakes. All you need to do is grab your sachet and 90 to 100 millilitres of cold water. So once you've ripped that open, you want to pour it into a bowl. Like so. Pour in your 90 to 100 millilitres of water. And now we're going to have a little workout. We're going to whisk that round. Give it a little whisk round. It's already starting to thicken up. Looking like a pancake batter already. So once you've whisked that up and it started to thicken, you want to leave it to sit for about 4 to 5 minutes. So once the pancake mix is nicely thickened up and you've left it for about 4 to 5 minutes, grab yourself a non-stick pan and you want to spray in some cooking spray on the bottom, heat it up for a little bit, then grab yourself a ladle and you want to spoon the pancake mix in and let it heat up until it goes nice and golden brown. And if you're feeling super confident, you can try and flip that pancake. Don't worry if not, that's not a problem. So you can either have one big pancake or you can split up into 2 little pancakes, whichever you prefer. I'm feeling greedy, so I'm going to go for everything here. So I've got my ladle and I'm just going to spoon it in. So I'm feeling really brave, I'm going to flip it. I'm not going to flip the pan, not that brave, but I'm just going to flip it over, yeah. It's got a nice golden brown colour to it. It's like a proper light and fluffy pancake. Exactly how you want your pancakes, and it smells so good. There we go, pancake done. A light, fluffy, delicious pancake with just over 200 calories. Acti Labs meal replacement pancakes, just over 200 calories, 25% of your recommended daily allowance of vitamins and minerals, and a good amount of protein to help keep you feeling full and see you through the day. Easy as that. Tasty, delicious pancakes. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy.